This is my Windows 11 Pro desktop, and here is how it used to look like, but I changed to remove all icons from the desktop. Today I'm going to show you how you can customize your desktop to look more professional and less boring. So go to your settings, just type here background, and this background setting will appear. All these settings here you can change the background of your PC choosing either of the 5 images. You can choose either of them, like we can choose this one, and you can see that your background image have changed. So here you can is where you can choose either picture or solid color. You can see for now it is black, but now this is orange. Also, you can be able to put this slideshow. As you can see that my PC have changed to this image folder here. As you can see, let me open Windows E to open the file manager. In the pictures file folder, open this folder. As you can see here, I have a lot of images that I have downloaded just from internet. Let me put, as you can see, I have the best images that I love, and you can see now my desktop look good. Here you can change the duration of how you want your desktop images to change, the slideshow to change. I prefer 10 minutes or more. Here you can set the shuffle settings and so on and so on. That is how you can customize your desktop for Windows 10 or Windows 11 Pro. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like, a comment, and also consider subscribing. Till next time, bye.